Hello, good evening Tribuners. Welcome back with me Kusnul Asyaifah in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is 18 months baby survived from a death accident. A baby survives a fatal accident in the climate his mother life. The baby and one victim of fatal accident went to Capitali Toll route where an Avanza minibus caught fire on the Capitali Toll route in section 188 plus and 800 kilometers in Jangka Regency. The incident occurred on Saturday, June 12 to 20 and 22 in the morning. As a result, the accident, 3 people died. Of the victims who died, each name is Agus, 30 years old, a driver, Atia, 49 years old, Novi Wulandari, 26 years old, who sat in the middle of the Toyota Avanza. Meanwhile, the victims survived and under incentive treatment, namely Puryono said the 16 driver Reza Fitrianto and Nanda Raffi Karmawibowo, who sat in the back. For the last name, the person concrete in the 18-month-old. Whereas name Nanda was not injured, it was a good news and shocking to anyone who heard. Majalengka Police Chief Adjutant Senior Commissaries of the Police Edwin Afandi confirmed that there was the toddler was injured in the deadly incident. The person in question was namely Nanda, who sat in the father in the back seat. From the burning minibus on the capital route in Majalengka Regency after the accident on the Saturday, even Nanda was not injured. The sat in the back, allegedly Riza at the time on the incident badly saved his own and broke the rear glass and badly saved himself. The next news is the search the Kalimatul Muslimin headquarters in Lampung Kolodari by coast. The Metro Jaya Police again raided the Kalimatul Muslimin headquarters in the Bandar Lampung, Saturday, June 12, 2022. When raids were crying out to looking for the other suspect, cries broke on the Kalifatul Mosque. The incident occurred where the police arrested imported figures from the Kalifatul Muslimin Masses organization in Bandar Lampung. Finally, the police arrested 2 suspects of being improvement captured. They were immediately secured and the Bandar Lampung police asked the identity of the provocateur. Hanki has not disclosed identities and the 2 further. He only said that the 2 people were still being questioned in the Bandar Lampung police. Previously, the arrest of 2 figures suspected of being central figures of the organization were agenda crying out of the Kalifatul Muslimin office in Bandar Lampung. The arrest of the injured asked the joint team for the Diaris Krim Polda Metro Jaya, the Bandar Lampung Police, the Indonesian Ahmad Forces, and the local Fortokominda. There was no right at the injured in the throwing. Hanki said that during yesterday arrested the serial and the injured number of the journalists. The journalist who was recovering to the lead question was also injured and he was hit by a helmet thrown by the Kalifatul Muslimin Sipan Saris. The journalist is very injuring to the forehead, left arm and the nose. One ear belonged to the journalist was also damaged in the incident. In the additional securing people from the search, the police found in spender up to billions of rupiah. The next news is Alvin Oneng refused to get married in the prison. The prisoner of the Semarang Polres Tabatra case are living with the forces and his clear period at the Kadungan Pen Prison Semarang Saturday, 11 June 2022. Even though he has been in the prison for the 5 months and is currently undergoing a trial process but has not yet receiving at the verdict. Alvin is still married to his partner Oneng in the prison. The wedding took place simply with the permission of the head of Semarang Prison, Trisuttono Subagji, with the approval members of the Conservative Observation Team. In the vicinity of the jungle at Jelang, and the groom is seen wearing traditional Javanese street clothes complete with the blanca with the mat of the by prison officer and the bride wearing a white kebaya. Meanwhile, the dowry given during a marriage contract in the form a set from the prayer tools. The bride and the groom performance the ijab kabul in the front of the head of the Office in Religious Affairs of Ngalian District, Darun, Wednesday, and the bride and groom and prison officials. The wedding procession is still observed as the COVID-19 health protocol. Although the groom looked nervous, Alvin looked pretty in his square promise. She relieved to able marry Oneng after years of dating. The bride's expression a joy of the emotion is also felt. Oneng birthed a hearing a officer head of Semarang Police. The suspended marriage in the prison arrived for the immensely wider in the prison. The requirement that the big complained that from the education family granting in the additional. He also reviewed priest mentioned to marry in the prison from the Office of Religion Affairs in the district of Ngalian. The next news is heavy rain a complaint by the strong wind H damage house. The Pinirang Regional Disaster Management Agency reported that as many as 8 houses were damaged due to heavy rain in the strong winds. The incident occurred in the Menarang village, Matrio Bulu District, Pingarang Regency, South Sulawesi, on Thursday, 6, 2022 night. Head of the emergency section of the Pinirang Regional Disaster Management Agency said at the Jabir said the while there is H damaged house. Jabir detailed that the house that were heavily damaged where its name is Nurlia, Nurlida, is Siti Rupaya and Makmur. To be damaged in the still name of L.A. Killing. Meanwhile, the names of Sulang Narasama and Ruslan Said were slightly damaged. His party is still collecting data in the materials Bulu sub-district. Luckily, where the consulted in the incident, it's a just losses estimate to be 2 million, and a Pinirang Regional Disaster Management Agency has also distributed assistance to the affected victim. The head of social affairs for Pinirang, Rusli, said the activation fight team are now taking refuge homes, neighbor, and their family. Rusli said that the party was concluding that is Rubin village. He also appealed to local residents to say where water conditional to mourn. The next news is River Water 6 regional or city in Aceh pollution by the plastic waste. River water in 6 districts or city in Aceh is polluted by the plastic waste. This is based on the result of the sample of by the Nusantara expedition team a few days ago. Each water sample was tested in the district of North Aceh, East Aceh, Aceh Big and Banda Aceh City, Luk Samawe City, Langsa and the Tarapakuan area of South Aceh. Microplastic observation will carrying out at a direct location using a portable microscope. Prigi Arisandi and graduate of the master degree in biology Airlangga University Surabaya. He started the expedition on the March 1, 2022 from the Gresik, East Java using a motorcycle and his friend. To implement the educational vessel instrument research river and Indonesian river resolution campaign, making complimentary flight on the existing Kontinentaris national strategic rivers in Indonesia. Both the river in the Aceh in early June 2022, the expedition started from the Java Island, then the Sumatra and will be carried out to the Kalimantan. River water climate with the plastic water has the impact of your human health. Among them and the low IQ and the immune response in the children, the dispute at the hormone system trigger diabetes and also participate in the irritant the heart, can raise cholesterol and the effort of the test microplastic trigger observation and intended with the pregnancy. He added and the government of Aceh together with the major and research in Aceh must be removed and moved to the private waste processing facility in each village. The next news is Food and Drug Control Agency fined for Balin tofu victory in the Bogor. The Food and Drug Administration crying out on the trade road want to and tofu product facility containing formalin in the Panarung area, Bogor Regency at Friday 10 June 2022. The head of the Indonesian Food and Drug Administration, Pedi Kalutiko, he said that the figure was large and very strategic. This operation carried out in the condition with the West Java Regional Police and the West Java Provincial High Court. This operation began with a complaint from the public. It was suspended the Food and Drug Management Agency with a follow-up by the Civil Service Investigation, also the Drug and the Food Regulatory Agency. The total turnover of the two tofu production facility is more than 5 billion per year, with a production capacity of more than 2.5 tons. Tofu product with the tofu production facility is known to be widely distributed by the markets in Jakarta, Tangerang, and the Bogor. Violations committed by the private tester will be suspended or being relationship with the article of the producing and distributing food containing hazardous material as regulated article at the 136 of law number 80 years to 2012 in Kominfo. Perpetrators can be sentenced to be maximum imprisonment of 5 years or the maximum 5 to 10 billion. And the last news is the last atmosphere ahead of the Ariel's arrival. The body of the Emeril Khan Mumtaz or Ariel, it plane arrived the cargo terminal of the Soekarno-Hatta Airport in Tangerang, Banten on the Sunday, January 12, 2022. Based on the information received to the tribunenews.com, the bodies will be flown using the Qatar Airways and Airport. The body will pass through the human remains called the cargo is the Arpon Dor Sota Airport. According to the Tribunes.com monitoring at the location at Tehran, Gabriel reaches the various 7 workers in the Suta Airport cargo building. There is a great harvest with the flower decoration on the front. A number of the rest were also seen. There is also a convoy fancy cereal parked in the cargo building at Soeharto Airport. Well, I think for news for today with me, Kusnul Ashaifah. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.